to the space. I just know I'll find you.